towards that goal. But let's move on. Who arrested the hitman on AKA?
Who arrested?
The hitman.
It's a team that was put together.
Which team? Is it the PKTT?
No.
No?
No.
Yet he was killed in a 5-kilometer radius away from the head office. And they were arrested close to 1 year later.
The head office does not arrest. Even if he was killed in the head office, would not have been arrested by head office. But the team was put together, and then the team did the good job.
Yet there was a team there, specialized team, in a 5-kilometer radius that can go all the way to a different province. They could not deal with that there, right there and then.
Where was it? Which team was that?
The PKTT is there.
Where does it sit?
They are there.
Where?
In KZN. So what I'm saying,
headquarters.
Where Umkwanazi's office is.
No. Get your facts straight.
What is the facts, Minister?
The facts, they've got their headquarters in Pinetown.
Is it in KZN?
Yes, but in Pinetown, not headquarters of the police.
But is it in
KZN? Of the police is in the CPT.
Is it in KZN?
KZN is not a capital.
The point I'm making, and this is the fact, that it happened in the province where the PKTT is supposed to zoom into. A hit happens. A different team nationally needs to be put together to go and deal with that murder. A high-profile murder that is just kilometers away from where they are based. But in other matters, they are ready to go to a different province. That's the point I'm making.
Your imaginary fact, that's not a fact. You say it's a fact, it's an imaginary fact.
Okay, help me, Minister. Let's test if I'm
imagining. It's an imaginary fact. You started by saying there were 5 kilometers in the head office. You should have asked the question where they're based. They are not based 5 kilometers. They are not in the head office. Where Vermas, where the head office of the South African Police.
Are they based in KZN?
KZN is not a headquarters, it's a province.
Yes, I know.